Hey Nat, Gerda here, and I'm coming to you from the beautiful city of Sydney. I'm actually here as a speaker this weekend at the Australian Psychological Society, and I just had this moment of surrealness that I wanted to share with you, and even more than surrealness, really gratitude. And I wanted to say thank you. Thank you so much for coming into my life and helping me write my book, The 7-Figure Practice. It has literally changed the trajectory of my business, and I am so very thankful. This is an example, right? I'm here at a high-level psychology conference as a speaker. How amazing is that? Last year, I attended another conference as an exhibitor, and you know, you always say that your book is your business card on steroids. Well, I saw that in action because the one day I was at the conference exhibiting, and a psychologist came around. She bought a copy of my book. The next morning, still at conference, she came to me, walked up straight to me and said, "Gerda, how can I work with you one-on-one?" And guess what? She became a mastermind client of mine, which is my high-level mastermind group for allied health professionals. And it's just amazing. Like, from not knowing me from a bar of soap, as you always say, to going into my highest level program that I offer. An interesting fact, I know you like numbers, is that I have doubled the turnover in my business since writing my book and getting it out there. My turnover went from 250K in my online business to 500,000 per year. And I'm one person. How amazing is that? And it's been so amazing that I've now been able to hire my own PA, which is a godsend. I'm so grateful for that. I can't tell you the amazingness that has happened as a result. Something else that's popping into my head right now is the fact that I am now running so many online courses, and as a parent and a mum to 3 kids, that's so important, having been able to take my business from a lot of in-person events to now being able to run programs and training programs, of course, online. And I've probably now done around about 6 just in the last 12 months, which is a big number actually for me, that I've put online, and this is generating passive income for me, and I'm just so grateful. Thank you so much. It has been an amazing process, and I can't wait to write my second book with you. Bye for now.